never escape your reality, but that was yesterday. Now I don't feel the same, no, no. Lady, sure I'm a tough act to follow. Oh, lady, brokenness is all I've ever known, ever known. But I know the good Lord is far more for me, and I'm not gonna take the gravity that's weighing you down. There's something I won't live without.